Welcome to the Central Footwear Training Institute, Chennai. CFTI, a one-of-its-kind institute in the country, being in existence from July 1957. CFTI, being a premier institute in South India, offers a career-oriented, world-class training on footwear technology in the art of shoemaking with its own infrastructure support and location situated in the heart of Chennai city, Guindy, well connected to Alandur Metro Station, Guindy Railway Station, Guindy Bus Stop and Bus Stand. CFTI Chennai is equipped with its world-class infrastructure and compact classrooms, modern lab, and machinery, CAD facilities, product design facilities, with teaching by qualified faculty and industrial experts. CFTI also offers techno-collaboration, managerial consultancy for footwear and allied industries. CFTI Chennai provides training, consultancy, footwear testing, product development, and common facility services on design development, pattern grading, shoe CAD works, cutting on dieless cutting machine, physical testing on footwear, footbeds and soles from PU pouring machine, and many more machinery from various departments of this institute, from designing, clicking, closing, lasting and finishing. In making of footwear, the first and most important section is the designing section, which is equipped with a modern design lab with sufficient workstations and licenses of ShoeCAD software widely used by most of the industry and trained with technically experienced faculty who were trained abroad with the latest knowledge of design forecasting and marketing trends. The second is the clicking section, equipped with the state-of-the-art machinery for cutting the material with advanced technology as well as traditional handmade technology. The section, headed by experienced faculty, makes the right start for production. Machinery included in the section are swinging arm cutting machine, beam cutting press, which completely saturates the technical side of the section. Also, the cutting of material is taught in a traditional way of hand cutting with a knife and tin patterns. The component of shoes are clicked by a machine as well as by hand. Also, while on cutting on various materials, casting and proper interlocking training is given to the students for each and every pair. Dieless cutting machine, the latest technology in cutting materials with proper nesting and grading from developed design file, shoe CAD with more precision and accuracy. No dies are required in using this technology. The next is the closing section. The institute has huge infrastructure in the closing department. The students are able to gather knowledge through utilizing the infrastructure individually so that they can easily absorb the industrial working atmosphere. The different types of machines from Puff and Dirk of Adler in the institute help students to carry training right from skiving, folding, sewing and stitching for Strobel, moccasin construction with decorative stitches are handled by students on their own under supervision of experienced staff. The institute provides training in various methodologies in skilling on each process. CFTI allows the students to do their practical training after pre-training exercises on paper as per the sequential methodology. Finally, lasting and finishing section helps all students to undergo training on latest and modern sequential machines for shoemaking with hands-on experience on lasting and state-of-the-art machinery with techniques of various shoe constructions. In lasting department, from lasting to final finishing of a shoe from a piece of leather to a finished product. Infrastructure of CFTI. CFTI Chennai provides hostel facilities within the institute campus, which provides a homely atmosphere. The hostel, with a double-storied building, is with one ground floor and two additional floors with a capacity of accommodating 120 students. The canteen inside the hostel serves hygienic food and has a spacious dining hall with a kitchen. Our hostel provides an eco-friendly environment with an exhaust system, water cooler, water purifier and all other amenities. The institute makes the best possible effort to provide the best of services and facilities within the hostel. The library of the institute is presently housed in a fully air-conditioned block. It has a huge collection of teaching material, design trend magazines, management books to serve various extension programs of the institute. All students, faculty members and employees of the institute are entitled to make use of the library facilities. The library has a collection of the world's best footwear designing books, technical books including reference books encompassing all disciplines, in addition to printed journals and magazines. We are not just an institute but a comprehensive campus for a total career in the footwear industry. We have a library with wide range of international footwear-related newsletters, footwear design magazines, subscribed from the world's leading distributors every year. An aesthetically designed and air-conditioned conference hall inside the institute, equipped with necessary multimedia and audiovisual aids with a seating capacity of 30 numbers, can be used regularly for meeting technical workshops and seminars. The students can spend their leisure time utilizing the outdoor games facilities available inside the campus. Training to set foot on a multi-million industry, preparing for the best in career, state-of-the-art equipment, international accredited courses, all under one roof, that is, the Central Footwear Training Institute, Chennai, MSME Technology Development Center, a prestigious institute under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India Society. Best known for footwear training, consultancy and common facility services, formerly known as CFTC, earned global recognition in tie-up with Leicester College of London, UK, empanelled under TCS Colombo Plan for training international participants. 5 long-term courses offered by CFTI to different backgrounds are 2 years International Diploma in Footwear Design and Production and 18 months Postgraduate Higher Diploma in Footwear and Management Studies are approved by the Textile Institute, Manchester, UK. 1 year Post-Diploma in Footwear Technology. 1 year Postgraduate Diploma in Footwear Technology. 1 year Certificate course in Footwear Technology. CFTI also offers short-term courses in designing and pattern cutting, shoe CAD, advanced shoe styling, shoe upper clicking, shoe upper closing, lasting making and finishing, leather goods making, quality assurance and machine maintenance. The unique features of CFTI is a record 100% placement till date, well recognized by global leaders and top players in the Indian leather footwear industry. CFTI reserves 22.5% seats and 100% exemption from tuition fees for SC/ST candidates in admissions. This institute conducts outreach programs like SHG through the Office of DC MSME for SC/ST on leather goods making for the entrepreneur development throughout different parts of the country. In the recent years, the institute has been associated with the footwear cluster at Salem and Erode under HRD, Support to Artisans, and has conducted many other training programs of HRD, Placement-Linked Skill Development Training Program, Primary Level and HRD, Skill Upgradation Training Program, Secondary Level in various footwear companies. The institute is affiliated as a training partner with LSSC, Leather Sector Skill Council, and conducted skill development training under the scheme National Skill Certification and Monetary Reward Scheme STAR, funded by NSTC, National Skill Development Corporation. The core objective of this program is to encourage skill development for youth by providing monetary awards for successful completion of approved training programs. Also, in association with LSSC, CFTI conducts employable training programs under the scheme Placement-Linked Skill Training Program for Unemployed Youth, funded by Tamil Nadu Skill Development Corporation, TNSDC, Government of Tamil Nadu, to facilitate the unemployed segment to develop skill solution with hands-on training by CFTI and place them at appropriate demand in the industry as per the requisite skilled manpower needed to sustain the envisioned growth of the leather, footwear, leather goods and leather garments industry and setting a foundation for the country to emerge as a global leader. CFTI conducts Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana (PMKVY), aiming to skill unemployed youth, is the flagship program, an outcome-based skill training scheme of the new Ministry of Government of India, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship (MSDE). The objective of the skill certification and reward scheme is to enable and mobilize a large number of Indian youths to take up outcome-based skill training to become employable and earn their livelihood. Creating footmarks in excellence. Creating footmarks in technology. Creating footmarks in quality. Creating footmarks in training. For registration and admissions, contact the Director, Central Footwear Training Institute, 65/1 GST Road, Gindi, Chennai 600032. Phone 044 225 01529. Fax 044 225 00879. Email cfti@vsnl.net. Website www.cftichennai.in. Thank you.